Hi, we're Supplying Demand, and today we're going to be replacing a few parts on this Frigidaire refrigerator, model FFTR1814TBB. Now we'll replace the freezer door handle. The process for this is exactly the same as the refrigerator door, just upside down. Start by opening the freezer door and removing the screws at the bottom of the door. Slide the handle off of the freezer. There will be a screw on the front of the door that needs to be removed. Replace this screw with the Supplying Demand door handle mounting screw. Then slide the handle into place like so. Replace the bottom screws with the ones included in the Supplying Demand door handle kit. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.